Good morning. My name is Steve with Texas Pro Signs. We're in the design district of Knox Henderson over here in sunny Dallas. This morning we're about to install a new elegant take on a box sign for one of our apparel clients, Rag & Bone. This is an elegant take on a standard box sign. So instead of typical just acrylic on the front of it, we have routed out letters on the aluminum plate and acrylic letters with LED lights on the inside. So when the sign is lit up, it'll have a beautiful shine coming through. This will be mounted on the railing above the store, and we'll see that in just a few minutes. So if you too need a channel letter sign, a box sign, whatever your needs are, come see us at Texas Pro Signs.